Welcome to the fascinating world of food microbiology. So, what exactly is food microbiology? Well, it's defined as the branch of microbiology that focuses on the microorganisms present in food, including their roles in food production, preservation, spoilage, and safety. It examines various types of microbes, bacteria, yeasts, molds, and viruses, and their interactions with food. By studying food microbiology, we gain insights into how these microorganisms can be harnessed for beneficial purposes or controlled to prevent foodborne illnesses. Now let's talk about the importance of studying microorganisms in food technology. First, food safety. Microorganisms are a leading cause of foodborne illnesses, which affect millions of people each year. Understanding the specific bacteria, viruses, and molds that can contaminate food helps food scientists and technologists develop strategies to prevent these pathogens from entering the food supply. For example, pathogens like Salmonella and Listeria can cause severe illness, making knowledge of their life cycles and transmission routes critical for food safety protocols. Next, food preservation. Preservation techniques such as fermentation and refrigeration rely on controlling microbial activity. Beneficial microorganisms can outcompete harmful ones, thereby preserving food. For instance, lactic acid bacteria used in yogurt production lower the pH, creating an environment that inhibits spoilage bacteria. Understanding how to manipulate microbial environments enables food technologists to develop better preservation methods, enhancing product shelf life. Moving on to food production. Many traditional food products, including cheeses, fermented vegetables, and alcoholic beverages, depend on specific microbial processes. For instance, yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is essential in bread making for its ability to ferment sugars, producing carbon dioxide that causes dough to rise. By studying these processes, food scientists can optimize production methods and create new products, enhancing flavor and texture. Then, there's nutritional enhancement. Certain microorganisms can increase the nutritional value of foods. Probiotics, live bacteria found in yogurt and other fermented products, contribute to gut health by improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Understanding how to cultivate these beneficial microorganisms allows food technologists to create functional foods that promote health and well-being. Lastly, environmental impact. Microorganisms play a crucial role in decomposing organic materials and recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. In food technology, this understanding leads to sustainable practices, such as composting food waste or using microbial fermentation to convert waste into valuable products, thus reducing environmental footprints. Beneficial microorganisms are often intentionally introduced into food products. These include lactic acid bacteria, which are used in yogurt, cheese, and fermented vegetables. They enhance flavor, improve texture, and increase shelf life by producing lactic acid, which inhibits spoilage organisms. Yeasts are essential for alcoholic fermentation and baking. For instance, the fermentation of sugars by yeasts produces ethanol and carbon dioxide, vital in beer brewing and bread making. Certain molds, like penicillium, are used in cheese production, such as blue cheese, and in the fermentation of soy products like soy sauce. Pathogenic microorganisms are those that can cause disease. They include bacteria, such as Escherichia coli, which can contaminate undercooked meat, and Salmonella, often found in eggs and poultry. Viruses like norovirus and hepatitis A can be transmitted through contaminated food or water, leading to outbreaks. Understanding these pathogens helps in developing critical food safety measures and regulations. Spoilage microorganisms lead to food degradation, resulting in undesirable changes in flavor, texture, and safety. Common spoilage organisms include bacteria like Pseudomonas and Clostridium, which can cause spoilage in refrigerated and canned foods, respectively. Various molds can grow on bread and fruit, leading to visible spoilage and producing mycotoxins, which are harmful. The study of food microbiology has deep historical roots. Fermentation techniques date back thousands of years, with ancient civilizations using microbial processes to preserve food and improve flavors. For example, archaeological findings suggest that beer brewing dates back to ancient Mesopotamia. The discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1928, which highlighted the antibacterial properties of molds, marked a significant milestone in food safety and preservation. This led to the development of antibiotics and emphasized the role of microbes in health. Food microbiology is not an isolated field. It overlaps with several other disciplines. Biochemistry involves understanding microbial metabolism and enzyme activities that contribute to food processes. Nutrition focuses on studying how microorganisms affect food quality and health benefits, particularly with probiotics. Food science and engineering incorporates microbial knowledge into the development of food processing technologies. This interdisciplinary approach enhances our understanding of food systems and drives innovation in food technology. The field faces several modern challenges. Emerging pathogens. New strains of bacteria and viruses, such as multi-drug-resistant bacteria, pose ongoing threats to food safety. Continuous research is essential to understand their behavior and develop control measures. Food production sustainability. With the growing global population, sustainable food production practices are crucial. Microorganisms can be utilized in bioprocessing and waste management to create sustainable food systems. There is an increasing public interest in food safety and health. Consumers are more aware of the role of microorganisms in their food, leading to demand for transparency in food production practices. In this lecture, we explored the fundamental concepts of food microbiology, emphasizing the critical roles microorganisms play in food production, preservation, and safety. We examined the distinction between beneficial microorganisms, such as those used in fermentation and probiotics, and harmful pathogens that pose health risks. Understanding these dynamics is essential for developing effective food safety protocols and enhancing food quality. The historical context highlighted how ancient practices laid the groundwork for modern food technology, while the interdisciplinary nature of food microbiology connects it to fields like biochemistry and nutrition. We also discussed current challenges, such as emerging pathogens and sustainability, underscoring the importance of ongoing research and innovation. By grasping these concepts, students are better equipped to appreciate the complexities of food microbiology and its significant impact on the food industry and public health. This foundational knowledge will serve as a basis for more advanced studies in the field. For more such food technology-related videos, keep watching Food Tech Education. Also, like, share, and subscribe to the channel and comment your thoughts down below.